everyone, this is Kinjal Parmar. Today we will discuss code converter combinational digital circuit. So let's start. Code converter. Code converter is a combinational logic circuit which translates information from one binary code to another binary code. Code converter, that means convert the code into one binary form to another binary form. The inputs to the circuit provides the bit combination belonging to the first code, while the output constitute the corresponding combination belonging to the second code. So we have here two code, one code as an input code and other code as a output code. Here we have a different code converter circuit. Now here we take some example of a code converter circuit. So here we discuss about BCD to XS3 code converter and binary to gray code converter. So let's discuss about BCD to XS3 code converter. So here we convert BCD number into XS3 and we have to design a circuit which does this BCD to XS3 conversion. Now for this, write BCD code and XS3 code. BCD code as an input code and XS3 code as an output code. Here we have a table for BCD and XS3 code. We have a BCD code from 0000 to 1001 for 0 to 9. And for this, we have a equivalent XS3 code for each 0 to 9 number. For example, for 0, we have a BCD code 0000, and for XS3, we have a binary representation of XS3 0 as 0011 as 0 plus 3 3. So here we have a XS3 code as a 30011. Then next for 0001, that means for BCD 1 we have to add 3. So 1 plus 3 4, and binary representation of 4 is 0100. So here basically for 0 to 9 BCD we have a XS3 code. So here we have a total 10 possible combination, and for 10 possible combination we have to use 4 bit over here. So this 4 bit A, B, C, D work as a input and this W, X, Y, Z as a output. Now to design code converter circuit, we have to calculate equation of this output. So we have to calculate equation for W, X, Y, Z in terms of A, B, C, D according to combinational of this A, B, C, D. So for this we can make K-map for W, X, Y, Z, and then we have a logical equation. Here we have a K-map for W in terms of A, B, C, D as 4 variables. So we have a 16 square K-map, and we have a group over here, and according to this group we have a equation of W as A plus BC plus BD. Here the value of W is represented over here according to A, B, C, D combination. For example, A, B, C, D is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0. So W is equals to 0. Then for 0, 0, 0, 1, again W is equals to 0. So here in this K-map we enter the value of W for combination of A, B, C, D. So here we have a total 10 values, and after that we have a no values for 10 to 15. So we represent this 10 to 15 combination as a don't care combination. So we mark cross over here and we consider this don't care condition for simplification of equation. So here we have an equation for W, A plus BC plus BD. Then K-map for X in terms of A, B, C, D, and we have a equation X is equals to B dash C plus B dash D plus B C dash D dash. Here again value of K represented in a K-map in terms of A, B, C, D. Then K map for Y, we have a equation CD plus C dash D dash. Then for Z, we have a equation D bar. Now we can implement this equation using logical gates. So here we have a logical diagram of this BCD to XS3 code converter. So here Z is equals to D dash, then Y is equals to C dash D dash plus CD. So this is how using various logical gates we can implement this BCD to XS3 code converter circuit. Here A, B, C, D as a input and W, X, Y, Z as a output. So this is how we can convert BCD to XS3. Now let's discuss about binary to gray code converter. So here we have a table of binary number from 0 to 15 in binary representation 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. Now for this given binary number, we can convert this binary number into gray form like MSB as it is, then XORing of B3 and B2, so we have a G2, then XORing of B2 and B1, so we have a G1, and XORing of B1 and B0, so we have a G0 bit. So this is how we calculate gray code for each and every binary pattern, and we have a total 16 binary pattern and its equivalent gray code. Now here again to design code converter circuit, we have to calculate equation of G3, G2, G1, G0 in terms of B3, B2, B1, B0. So again using K map we can find this equation. So this is the K map of G3. So here we have a K map of G3 in terms of B3, B2, B1, B0, and after making this K map, we have a equation G3 is equals to B3. And again, for binary and gray, MSB are same. So obviously G3 is equals to B3. Then next K map for G2. So we have a equation G2 is equals to B3, B2 dash plus B2, B3 dash, which is XOR operation of B2 and B3, and obviously for G2 we take XOR of B3 and B2. So here we have a equation for G2. Then for G1, here is a K map and we have a equation G1 is equals to B1 B2 bar plus B2 B1 dash, which is equal to B1 XOR B2. Then for G0, here we have a K map and G0 is equals to B0 B1 bar plus B1 B0 bar. So we have an equation B0 XOR B1. So binary to gray code converter circuit can be easily implemented. G3 is equals to B3. So just draw a line. Then G2 is equals to B3 XOR B2. Then G1 is equals to G2 XOR B1 and G0 is equals to B1 XOR B0. So here we have a binary to gray code converter circuit. So this is how we can convert any code into another form. Now let's discuss about another converter circuit, BCD to 7 segment LED converter. A BCD to 7 segment converter is a combinational logic circuit that accepts a decimal digit in a BCD as an input and generate appropriate output for the segments to display the input decimal digit. This converter is also known as BCD to 7 segment decoder or display decoder. A display decoder is combinational logic circuit which is used to convert a BCD or a binary code into 7 segment LED. Now what is 7 segment LED? So here graphical representation of 7 segment LED. Using this 7 segment pattern we can design or says we can display any of the number from 0 to 9. For 0 we have to on this A, B, C, D, E, F, G must be off for 0 pattern. Then for 1, B and C. And then for 2, A, B, G, E, D. So this is how numbers can be represented in 7 segment code. Here basically this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, this A, B, C, D, E, F, G is a LED, and here we use 7 LEDs in this format to represent or says to display various numbers in decimal form for 0, 1, 2 up to 9. Here for 8, all the 7 segments LED must be on for 8 only. So now let's discuss about how BCD to 7 segment LED converter can be designed. Now let's make a table for BCD to 7 segment LED converter. Here we have a 7 segment LED which has a total 7 LEDs and it is denoted by this small letter A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now how we can design a BCD to 7 segment LED converter? So first we write BCD number, and then for equivalent BCD numbers we can calculate a pattern for which this 7 segment LED may on. For example, here we have a table for a decimal digit 0 to 9, and we have a total 0 to 9 BCD numbers in form of capital A, B, C, D. So which has a binary pattern from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, 1. Now for 0 we have a LEDs A, B, C, D, E, F must be on and G must be off for 0. Here display pattern shows for a corresponding decimal digit. So we have a output lines here. Here we have a 7 LED. So we have a 7 outputs. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f and small g. Now for 0, only G must be off and all other A, B, C, D, E, F must be on. So we have a activated output over here. So we have a is equals to 1, B is equals to 1, C is equals to 1, D is equals to 1, E is equals to 1, F is equals to 1 for this 0 and G is equals to 0. Now for 1 we have a only B and C is equals to 1 and all other LEDs must be off. So we have a output lines B is equals to 1, C is equals to 1 and all other bits are 0. Then we have a 2. So for 2 it must be A, B, G, E, D. So we have a B, D, E and G as a 1 and other this F and C must be off. So we have a C and F is equals to 0. Then we have a decimal digit 3. For decimal digit 3 we have a 7 segment LED pattern like A, B, G, C, D. So this output lines or says this LED must be on. So according to this we have a is equals to 1, B is equals to 1, C is equals to 1, D is equals to 1 and G is equals to 1, E and F is equals to 0. So similarly we can make a pattern according to this. We have a decimal digit 8. For decimal digit 8 all the LEDs must be on. So we have a corresponding output lines for 8 is equals to all 1. So this is how we can design BCD to 7 segment LED converter. For 9 only E LED is equals to 0 because it must be off for display pattern 9. For 9, E must be off for a display pattern of 9. So here at last input corresponding this 9, we have a output 1, 1, 1, 1, E is equals to 0, F and G is equals to 1. So this is how we can calculate a corresponding 7 segment LED display pattern according to this decimal digit, and this decimal digit can be represented in form of BCD. So this is how we can convert BCD to 7 segment LED according to this table. Now we have to calculate output equation for this output lines, or says for this LEDs. So we can calculate this output equation using K-map. By using K-map, so here we have a K-map for A, for B, for C. For A, we have a equation A plus C plus BD plus B dash D dash. And as we have a values for 0 to 9 only, we can make don't care for 10 to 15 combinations. So here cross represent that we have a don't care conditions over here. So we have equations for A, then we have equations for B is equals to B bar plus C bar D bar plus CD, and for C is equals to B plus C bar plus D. Then we have a equation for D. D is equals to B dash D dash plus C D dash plus B C dash D plus B dash C plus A. For E, we have a equation B dash D dash plus C D dash plus F is equals to A plus C dash D dash plus B C dash plus B D dash. Then for G, we have an equation B dash C plus C D dash plus B C dash plus B C dash plus A. So this is how we calculate equation, and here we implement these equations over here for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is how we can convert this 4-bit BCD A, B, C, D into 7 segment LED display. So here binary to gray code converter and BCD to access3 code converter circuit discussed, and we also discussed about BCD to 7 segment LED code converter circuit, which is also known as display converter or says display decoder. Now here we discussed about only a few codes like binary and gray and BCD and access3. We have another code techniques, for example 2421 code technique, then 84 minus 2 minus 1 code technique. So using this code techniques, and we can design a code converter circuit. For example, we can design BCD to 84 minus 2 minus 1 code converter circuit. Then we can also design code converter circuit for BCD to 2421 code. So this is how we can design BCD code technique by representing truth table, then calculating equation from K-map, and then logical diagram from logical equation. So this is how we can design code converter circuit. Thank you.